You ever look at your account balance and wonder, where did all my money go? Like you were just paid, but somehow your wallet is on life support by mid-month. Yeah, I have been there, and guess what? It is not just about how much you earn, but about your money habits. So today, let's talk about the money habits that keep women broke and how to break free, because nobody wants to be the girl who is always managing till payday. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Susan, and here we talk about career, money, and working strategies to level up. If you are tired of feeling broke and want to start making smarter money moves, grab a seat because I am coming for those bad habits we all need to ditch. The first one I'm going to talk about today is spending to impress. Let's start with this one because honestly, we've all done it. You're out with friends, for example, the bills comes and you know you should just stick to what you can afford. But no, you want to belong, so you overpay for food that wasn't even that nice. Or you are shopping and instead of buying what you actually need, you pick the expensive bag because people will notice. Most of the time, these people do not even notice. So how do you work with this type of habits? Give yourself a strict budget. A tiny amount you're allowed to spend on looking good, but once it is gone, it is gone. That is self-discipline. So stop buying for validation. Half the time, people do not even notice these things. This may sound cliche, but I've come to realize it myself. So the second point on my list is saving what is left instead of saving first. In all honesty, do you actually save first or do you wait to see what is left after spending? Because if you are waiting, spoiler alert, there will never be anything left. How do you work on this habit? Automate your savings. If you get paid on the 25th, set up an automatic transfer on the 26th. No excuses. Start small. If you can't save 20%, start with 5% and then 10%. The goal is to build the habit. Use saving platforms like Piggyverse, Cowride, or Open Save and Earn feature. They lock your money so you don't spend it impulsively. I use OP and Piggyverse. The third one is keeping all your money in one account. Have you ever planned to save money, but then something urgent comes up, and because the money is just sitting there in your main account, you spend it? Now, this is how to manage this habit. Open a savings account you don't have access to, or even a fixed deposit account and still get a profit on it. A savings account without a card, one that takes 24 hours to withdraw from. Also, use separate accounts for different goals. One for bills, one for savings, one for enjoyment. Try Piggyverse Save Log. It helps you separate money without feeling tempted to touch it. If your savings is too easy to touch, you will always find a reason to touch it. Now, this brings us to the number 4, which is avoiding investing because you are scared. Women are natural savers, but when it comes to investing, we suddenly get cautious. Meanwhile, men will put money into anything with confidence, even when they don't fully understand it. I'm not saying you should do something blindly, but start with low risk investments like mutual funds, fixed deposit, learn basic investing. You don't need to know everything, just understand where to start. There are so many videos online you can watch. Use investment platforms like Bamboo, Trove, or Optimus by Afrivest. I use Bamboo and Optimus. They allow me to invest in stocks, mutual funds, and fixed income safely. Your money should be working, not just sitting there looking at you. Now, this brings us to the last one, which is thinking more money will solve everything. Most of us believe that the reason we struggle financially is because we don't earn enough. But I have seen people who earn millions and are still broke. Why? Because their habits are bad. How do you manage this? Fix your spending and saving habits now before you start earning more. Track your money. If you don't know where it is going, you can't control it. Use expense trackers for tracking your money. They help you see where your money is going. The truth is, nobody teaches us these things. We did research. We have learned the hard way. But if you can fix these bad money habits now, your future self will thank you. Which of these habits do you struggle with the most? Drop a comment, I want to know. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friend. Let us start making smarter money moves together. See you in the next video. Ciao.